This is how to build huge biceps with the best bicep exercise. What's the best bicep exercise? Incline bicep curl. This is a classic curl with added difficulty, which is perfect for growing those biceps, and it's a fun exercise to do. First, these are the mistakes you gotta avoid. 1, don't use momentum to lift the weights. 2, don't set the incline too high, because this will lower the difficulty, making the incline completely pointless. This is how to use the incline bicep curl to build huge biceps the right way. 1, set a small incline. Try different inclines until you find the right spot for you. 2, use the bench to guide your form so you can perform strict reps. I like to keep my elbow on the bench at the same position so I know that I'm only using my bicep to lift those weights. I've seen some other people have less strict forms and use a bit more momentum, and you can do that if you want to, but I think that's a waste of this exercise, because the best thing about the incline bicep curl is you can use the bench to force you to complete strict reps. I'd suggest using a little momentum in whatever other bicep curls you're doing in conjunction with this, but with the incline bicep curl, keep it strict, because this is where it's easiest to stay strict on each rep. Number 3, lower the weight slowly on the eccentric part of the lift. That's when you're lowering the weight. So when you lower the weight, come down slow, pump it up. Lower it slow, pump it up. The incline bicep curl is just one of the exercises you need to build your dream body. If you want to know the rest of the exercises you need to be doing every week, download my 2 free workout programs, link down below, or go to jcarteray.com/free workout programs. These are the same workout programs I use to get my dream body, and I'm still using the Trap God workout program to this day. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download these programs while they're still free, because they won't be free and available forever. Link down below. If you got any questions, use that comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.